If Chrome is showing the message, your clock is behind along with the net::ERR underscore CERT underscore DTE underscore INVALID error, don't worry, this is usually a date and time issue on your computer, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to get Chrome working again, and if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check your computer's date and time. Look at the taskbar on your Windows computer and find the clock in the bottom right corner. Right-click on it, then click Adjust Date and Time. This opens the Windows date and time settings, which is where we can fix the most common cause of this certificate error. Now, in the date and time settings, make sure you turn on set time automatically. This is very important because if your clock is even a little bit off, Chrome can think websites are using invalid certificates. Once automatic time is enabled, Windows can keep your system clock accurate without you needing to manually adjust it all the time. Next, manually sync your clock. In the same settings window, click Sync Now. This forces Windows to connect to the time server and update your computer's clock right away. A lot of the time, this one step alone is enough to solve the problem because the browser starts trusting websites again once the system time is corrected. After that, restart Google Chrome completely. Don't just close the tab, make sure Chrome is fully closed, then open Chrome again and try visiting the website one more time. In many cases, the certificate error will disappear immediately after Chrome reloads with the correct system time. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to clear Chrome's cache. Sometimes old cached files or security data can cause Chrome to keep showing certificate problems even after the clock is fixed. To do this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select Cached Images and Files, then click Delete Data. Once that finishes, try loading the website again. Clearing the cache can remove outdated security information that may be causing the browser to fail. If the issue still isn't gone, update Google Chrome. Click the three dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will check for updates automatically. If an update is available, install it. Older versions of Chrome can sometimes fail to recognize newer website certificates correctly, so keeping your browser up to date is always a smart move. And if you've made all of those changes, but the error is still appearing, restart your computer. Click the Start menu, choose Power, and then click Restart. Restarting helps apply the time changes, clears temporary system issues, and refreshes the browser and security settings. It's a simple step, but it often helps finalize the fix. So to recap, if you see your clock is behind or net::ERR underscore CERT underscore DATE underscore INVALID in Chrome, the best fix is to check your system date and time, turn on automatic time, sync the clock, restart Chrome, clear the cache, update Chrome, and restart your computer. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue completely. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.